People once believed the world was flat, not because they were wrong, but because their perspective was too close to reality. The same is with life. We need to zoom out to let the bigger picture reveal itself.
हम सब जानते हैं हिस्ट्री में एक बार हम लोग सब मानते थे कि दुनिया फ्लैट है, क्योंकि जमीन फ्लैट है, चलते थे ऐसा लगता था नहीं ये तो फ्लैट ही है। बट जब प्लैनेट अर्थ को छोड़ के बाहर निकले तो पता चला अरे अर्थ तो राउंड है। सो सेम इज विथ लाइफ। जब हम बहुत नैरो फोकस्ड हो जाते हैं, बहुत क्लोजली देखते हैं, तो हमको बड़ा पिक्चर समझ में नहीं आता। Then we only see from the surface eye. We're not able to see from a deeper eye. Sometimes we need to zoom out of the situation. And that's what we do in meditation. What do we do every time? We withdraw from the situation. We become nobody, nothing, nowhere, no place, no time. But actually, what you are doing is by doing that, you are withdrawing from the situation. Then the quantum perspective comes. Some innovative solution to the problem comes. Right. So that's why all you need is to just zoom out. Give your time, zoom out, and just relax. The more you get entangled and too close and too engrossed, you're not able to see a larger picture, larger perspective. Sometimes all you need to see, oh, will this matter 5 years from now? कई बार हम रिलेशनशिप में, सिचुएशन में, द वे वी बिहेव, द वे वी रिएक्ट, if you just ask one question, will this matter to me 5 years from now? What are you doing? You're zooming out from a 5-year perspective. Then you realize, this is insignificant. Why am I losing myself? It is so irrelevant. Why am I behaving like this? Why am I reacting like this? So, when in doubt, zoom out. When you zoom out, फिर बड़ा picture दिखता है. When you zoom out, when you connect to your consciousness a lot of times, then you see the perspective of a consciousness. आप एक soul के angle से देखते हो. आज कोई भी situations ये है, a young soul behave differently. And we are so close to the situation, we blame them, we feel anger, how can they do this? But they are a baby soul, they are abhi in their full ego trap. So when you see from a soul's perspective, then you realize कि हाँ, अगर ये baby soul है तो ये ऐसे behave करेगा ना, young soul है तो ऐसे behave करेगा. Once you receive from that perspective, पूरे judgment खत्म हो जाते हैं. Your anger, your frustration drops away. But वही आप as a personality के angle से देखते हो, one on one देखते हो, तो आपको बहुत गुस्सा आता है. But if you are a old soul, then you behave like a old soul. If you are a mature soul, then you behave in a matured way. That's why many times from narrow focus, we have to go to a broader focus, Ask yourself why, not just what you're doing. Why you're doing. Sometimes the why helps you zoom out,